Welcome back to Smart Home Hub. Today we're taking a closer look at a sleek little gadget designed for coffee lovers who want perfect, freshly ground beans anywhere they go. This is the portable electric coffee grinder with a Type-C USB rechargeable ceramic grinding core. A small machine with some surprisingly professional features. Right out of the box, this grinder feels compact, lightweight, and travel-friendly. At just under half a kilo, it's built for everyday use at home, at the office, or on the road. But don't let the size fool you. Inside, it packs a professional ceramic grinding core, known for staying cool, preserving flavor, and eliminating unwanted bitterness. Unlike metal grinders that heat up, ceramic burrs reduce aroma loss and keep your coffee's natural taste intact. And yes, the grinding core components are removable and easy to clean, no lingering smells, no buildup. One feature we love is the free control grind knob. Whether you prefer coarse grounds for a French press, medium for drip brewing, or fine espresso grind, the adjustment wheel gives you full control over your texture. Smooth, simple, and intuitive. Powering this grinder is a 1250 mAh rechargeable battery, which can last about a week on normal use. And it charges using a USB Type-C port. Faster, safer, and much more convenient than older micro USB designs. LED indicators keep things clear, blue when working, red flashing when it needs a charge. There's also a helpful auto stop feature. When the bean chamber runs empty, the grinder shuts itself off, protecting the motor and extending its lifespan. The bean bin and powder bin detach easily and can even be washed in a dishwasher. Just remember, the top motor unit should never be submerged. Wipe it with a damp cloth only. In the box, you get the grinder itself, a cleaning brush, and a Type-C charging cable. Everything you need to maintain it and keep your coffee ritual smooth. With its portable size, quiet motor, ceramic burr core, customizable grinding settings, and reliable battery, this upgrade is an excellent fit for travelers, office workers, or anyone serious about fresh coffee on demand. This has been Smart Home Hub. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into smart gear and portable coffee tools. Tell us in the comments, what grind size do you prefer for your morning brew?